What's going on, everyone? So we're having a little bit of a sell-off today. The level that we still need to keep in mind on the Nasdaq 100 is that $332, that low point that we hit yesterday. Now that would also be confirming the January 24th lows. If we do start cracking and closing below that, we could be entering into a bear market on the triple Qs amongst other big Nasdaq 100 stocks. So with that being said, you kind of have to take a step back, look at the overall technicals. If you have been trying to buy calls, if you have been trying to buy stock going long, yes, there's been opportunity to make some money on some pops for potential scalps and day trades. But if you've just been kind of buying the dip, hoping that it's coming higher, you're doing it all wrong. And the reason why you're doing it all wrong is because on a macro level, the triple Qs, which is the Nasdaq ETF, is underneath the 200-day moving average. It's very, very hard to buy and hold stocks that are under the 200-day moving average when that stock is a part of the index that is below the 200-day moving average. So with that being said, if we just take a look at the 1 hour time frame here on Nvda, you can see that when we lost this 20-day moving average, the 20 SMA, going back here to last Wednesday and Thursday, we have only reclaimed it one time and lost that area. So yes, we did have a massive sell-off here, and it did provide a little bit of a relief bounce. But what this is called, and you may have heard this term floating around social media, all it is just a dead cat bounce. Why is it just a dead cat bounce, and why is the stock not moving higher? Because macroly on the triple Qs, we're still under the 200-day moving average. So the pressure is still to the downside. On the Nvidia 1 hour time frame, we are still trading below the 50 SMA. The 50 SMA is going to be a very, very hard level to break, and the next level to break is going to be the 200. So being that I'm following the 1 hour time frame here, as long as we can't get back over this 240, the momentum is still to the downside. And until we get over $248, $250 on Nvidia, we can't really buy and hold thinking that we're coming back up to those recent highs of 275. What we do have is a clear line in the sand for another leg down, and that leg down is under 224. So as we just broke this 229.90 level, which I was telling people in Discord, if we take a look going back here, it acted as an area of demand where we pushed off and had a very, very strong bounce. I was telling everyone if we did come back to this area and we could not hold it for the second time and get a nice strong bounce off, and now we start to close and build below, we could be looking at another leg down. So that first price target that we're looking at from the short side is anything under 230 to a price target of around 225. Definitely you want to take some profits off the table if you enter that short position. So just because you enter, let's say, a 230 put on Nvidia doesn't mean that you're looking for $225 price. You want to sell this thing at 228, 227, 226. If it starts to bounce back up higher, as long as we are trading below 230, trust the technicals. However, if we do get over that 230, just know that you are going to have the next ceiling right around that 234, 235 area. So you have to play the technicals. You have to just understand where these stocks can go, where they can stop. If you guys are having trouble identifying levels in key areas, if you're having trouble day trading, if you're having trouble scalping, join my Discord. That community, that chat room, that's down in the description box below. I'm kind of going over these levels intraday for my team so we can all see them and identify them as they're playing out. You can definitely take part in the trades that we're taking part in. But if you want more help, one-on-one mentorship, maybe you want to learn how to trade supply and demand, maybe you're looking for a strategy. If you're looking for a strategy, head over to my website, evolutiontraders.com. Become a lifetime member. You're going to get lifetime access to that private Discord community, as well as 2 courses, one on scalping and one on understanding the process of technicals, understanding why stocks are stopping where they're stopping, understand when you should be swing trading versus when you should be day trading. When is it time to load up and when is it time to cut your position? Definitely head over to the website, evolutiontraders.com, become a lifetime member. I'm going to see you all new people in the Discord later on this week. With that being said, if you want to reach out to me when you guys do join the Discord, definitely hit me on a private message in there. I answer all questions. I'm trading 5 days a week. I do trade options and scalp options full time, so I'm always available for any questions or concerns when it comes to trading or particular levels. With that being said, I'm going to see you guys all in the next trading video, and I look forward to working with all of you guys pretty soon.